Welcome back to Auto Rush Pro. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of 2026, the all-new Mack Pickup Truck. If you thought Mack was only about heavy-duty trucks and big rigs, think again. This latest pickup is not just a statement on the road. It's a blend of raw power, advanced technology, and rugged American engineering that's going to make heads turn across the country. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this is something different. Something built to dominate every terrain, from city streets to untamed back roads. The exterior of the 2026 Mack Pickup Truck is nothing short of breathtaking. Mack has taken its signature toughness and transformed it into a pickup that looks both imposing and refined. The front end features a bold, aggressive grille that instantly tells you this truck is serious about performance. The chrome accents are tastefully done, giving it a premium feel without losing that rugged edge. The headlights are fully LED, offering superior visibility while adding a modern, sleek look. And the hood? It's muscular, sculpted, and perfectly proportioned to signal power without being overbearing. Every angle of this truck has been meticulously crafted to exude strength. The flared fenders hint at the capability hidden underneath, while the aerodynamic lines improve fuel efficiency and give it a surprisingly sophisticated profile. Move around to the side and the Mack Pickup's presence becomes even more apparent. It rides on massive alloy wheels, designed to handle heavy loads while maintaining a smooth ride. The high ground clearance screams off-road readiness, but it's balanced so the truck doesn't feel like a beast that's hard to drive in the city. The doors are reinforced with high-strength steel, giving you peace of mind, whether you're hauling equipment or heading out for an adventure. Mack didn't stop at toughness. The paint options are bold and modern, ranging from classic metallics to more adventurous matte finishes. Even the bed of the truck has been redesigned. It's deeper, wider, and equipped with an intelligent bed management system that allows for secure cargo transport, tie-down points, and optional accessories that make hauling easier than ever. Step inside the Mack Pickup Truck, and you immediately notice the cabin feels more like a high-end SUV than a traditional work truck. Mack has completely reimagined the interior with both comfort and functionality in mind. Premium materials cover every surface: soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum accents, and even optional real wood trim for a touch of luxury. The seats are supportive and spacious, perfect for long drives or rough off-road journeys. And for those who spend hours behind the wheel, the ergonomics are outstanding. Everything is within easy reach, and visibility is excellent thanks to the elevated seating position. Technology takes center stage inside the 2026 Mack Pickup. The infotainment system boasts a massive touchscreen with crisp graphics and intuitive menus. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging come standard. But Mack also includes advanced features like a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and even a heads-up display that projects vital information onto the windshield. For truck enthusiasts who demand control over every aspect of their drive, the digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you performance stats, navigation, and off-road telemetry at a glance. Cabin space isn't just about comfort. Storage solutions are everywhere, from hidden compartments to cup holders that can accommodate oversized drinks. When it comes to performance, the Mack Pickup Truck doesn't just talk the talk, it delivers. Under the hood, you have multiple engine options, including a robust V8 gasoline engine and a powerful turbo diesel variant. Both are engineered for towing, hauling, and high-speed performance with ease. The V8 pumps out over 500 horsepower, offering acceleration that rivals some sports cars, while the turbo diesel focuses on torque, giving you the kind of low-end grunt that's perfect for heavy-duty towing. Mack's engineers have also updated the suspension system for 2026, combining durability with comfort. Whether you're hauling equipment or hitting rocky trails, the truck absorbs shocks effortlessly, keeping passengers comfortable and cargo secure. One of the standout features of this new Mack is its towing and payload capability. This is a truck that doesn't shy away from work. It can tow massive trailers with ease, thanks to reinforced frame construction and integrated towing technology. Smart tow assists, trailer sway control, and electronically controlled braking make towing safer and less stressful. Payload capacity is equally impressive, allowing for heavy equipment, tools, or recreational toys. Mack understands that a pickup isn't just a vehicle. It's a tool for work and play, and every component has been designed to deliver on that promise. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the Mack Pickup's terrain management system. With multiple drive modes, locking differentials, and advanced traction control, this truck can handle snow, mud, sand, or rocky paths without breaking a sweat. The optional all-terrain tires and skid plates provide added protection, ensuring that adventurers can take the Mack to places most other pickups wouldn't dare to go. Yet despite all this capability, the ride remains surprisingly refined on the highway. Noise insulation, adaptive dampers, and precise steering make long-distance driving effortless even at higher speeds. Fuel efficiency is always a concern with trucks of this caliber, and Mack has addressed it without compromising power. The combination of aerodynamic design, modern engine technology, and intelligent transmission systems results in improved mileage compared to previous generations. While it's still a heavy-duty machine, it's remarkably efficient for a truck that can handle serious loads and tough terrain. Now let's talk pricing because everyone wants to know. This isn't an entry-level work truck. The 2026 Mack Pickup truck starts in the mid-$50,000 range for the base model, which is already packed with features. But the fully loaded top tier models can reach well into the $75,000, $80,000 territory, depending on options. Given the blend of luxury, performance, and capability, it's a strong value proposition for anyone who wants a truck that can do it all. From fleets to families and from outdoor enthusiasts to serious truck collectors, there's a Mack Pickup for every type of buyer. In terms of aftermarket and customization, Mack has left no stone unturned. Accessories range from bed liners and tonneau covers to premium wheels, lift kits, and lighting packages. Owners can truly personalize their truck, making it uniquely theirs while also enhancing functionality. This is a vehicle designed not just to perform out of the showroom, but to evolve with its owner's lifestyle and needs. The 2026 Mack Pickup also shines in safety. Advanced driver assistance systems are standard, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and cross-traffic alerts. The sturdy construction and high-strength steel frame provide exceptional crash protection, while airbags, traction control, and stability systems work together to keep passengers safe in any scenario. Mack has clearly invested heavily in both active and passive safety, ensuring that this truck is as protective as it is powerful. From a design perspective, the Mack Pickup Truck isn't just about brute force. Every detail, from the grille and hood to the tailgate and lighting elements, is thoughtfully designed to create a cohesive, aggressive yet refined aesthetic. It's a truck that doesn't blend into the background. It commands attention, whether parked in a downtown lot or barreling down a highway at full speed. It embodies American strength, resilience, and innovation. A vehicle that looks as capable as it drives. Inside and out, the 2026 Mack Pickup truck represents a major leap forward for the brand. It's a truck that appeals to traditionalists who love rugged durability, as well as modern buyers seeking advanced technology and comfort. It's a perfect balance of work and play, power and precision, toughness and sophistication, and perhaps most importantly, it's a truck that respects its heritage while embracing the future. So if you've been waiting for a pickup that can handle the demands of work, the adventures of weekend escapades, and the expectations of luxury all at once, the 2026 Mack Pickup Truck is finally here. From its commanding exterior to its thoughtfully designed interior, from its powerhouse engines to its intelligent safety systems, this is a truck that makes a statement. Mack has not just built a pickup, they've built a legend for 2026. Whether you're towing heavy equipment, exploring off-road trails, or simply cruising down the highway with confidence, this truck offers everything you need and more. The Mack Pickup Truck is more than transportation. It's an experience, a symbol of capability, and a reminder of why American trucks continue to dominate roads around the world. If you're ready to upgrade to a truck that truly delivers on all fronts, the 2026 Mack Pickup is waiting, and it's ready to take on anything you throw at it. That wraps up our full look at the 2026 Mack Pickup Truck. This truck is a game changer in every sense. And if you want a vehicle that can do it all while turning heads wherever it goes, this is it. Be sure to check out your local dealers for a closer look. And don't forget to tell us in the comments. Which feature of the Mack Pickup excites you the most? Is it the raw power, the luxurious cabin, or the rugged off-road capability? Thanks for watching Auto Rush Pro. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest and greatest in trucks, SUVs, and everything automotive. The Mack Pickup Truck 2026 isn't just a truck. It's a statement. And we're here to bring you every detail, every angle, and every thrill along the way.